Why are concentration curls effective? Unlike standard curls, dumbbell concentration curls allow you to focus on contracting the biceps muscle without using body momentum, helping to maximize tension placed on the muscle. Here's how to do concentration curls properly, and why you should add them to your fitness routine. Sit in a chair with your feet flat, your knees spread wide, and a dumbbell in your right hand. Bend forward and brace the back of your right elbow against the inside of your right knee, your left leg. Your right arm should hanging straight down, with your right palm facing, keeping your upper body still and your elbow against your knee. Curl the weight toward your shoulder with your palm facing upward. Pause and then reverse the movement to return to the starting position. Do all of your reps, switch sides, and repeat, performing an equal number of reps with each arm. Standing concentration curl. Assume a wide, staggered stance with your left leg forward and your left arm supported on your left thigh. Holding a dumbbell at arm's length with your right hand, palm facing forward, make a fist with your left hand and brace the back of your right elbow against the back of your left wrist. Keeping your back flat and core braced, curl the weight toward your shoulder. Reverse the movement to return to the starting position. Do all of your reps, switch sides, and repeat, performing an equal number of reps with each arm. How to make concentration curls easier or harder? By making a few adjustments, this move can be accessible to someone who's a beginner at lifting weights, or extra challenging to someone who's looking to take their training to the next level. Make it easier, use a lighter weight. Make it harder, use a heavier weight. Slow your lifting tempo. This will increase time under tension, making your muscles work even longer and harder during each rep. What muscles do concentration curls work? This move really concentrates on the biceps muscles, hence the name, concentration curl. The technical name for this muscle is the biceps brachii, and it's the muscle that pops out when you do the strongman pose. The stationary position of the elbow allows you to have greater control over the movement. Because your arm is braced against your thigh, you're able to target the biceps muscle even more than you would in other types of curls. This results in greater activation of the biceps, which is what helps build more strength.
What worked best for you? Leave us a comment. Thanks for watching. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.